All right, rebels, introverts, masterminds, and privacy ninjas. Gather round. Put down that selfie stick. Seriously, put it down. Because today we're talking about building an empire, a movement, a brand so powerful that absolutely nobody knows what you look like in your pajamas at 3 a.m. Lean in conspiratorially. Forget everything you've been told about needing to be the next viral dance sensation or the perfectly lit coffee-sipping guru. Forget the pressure to plaster your face across every pixel of the internet. What if I told you the most potent, scalable, and frankly, liberating form of digital marketing happens entirely behind the curtain? Welcome to the revolution. Building a faceless brand. This isn't about hiding. This is about strategic amplification. It's about letting your ideas, your value, your unique genius take center stage. It's about building something bigger than your cheekbones. Think about the brands you respect. Dollar Shave Club's early hilarious videos. No CEO face required. The cryptic allure of brands like Somebody or Unknown. Pure faceless power. That incredibly useful software you love. You probably couldn't pick the founder out of a lineup. This is your permission slip, your passport to digital influence on your own terms. Whether you're camera shy, value your privacy fiercely, dream of a business that runs while you sleep on a beach, or simply want your message to be the star, the faceless path is not just viable, it's spectacularly powerful, and I'm here to show you exactly how it's done. Phase 1. The philosophy. Why faceless wins. Graphics, icons representing anonymity, scalability, focus, mystery. First, let's squash the fear. But how will people connect? People connect with value, with story, with solutions to their pain points. They connect with a voice, a perspective, a feeling. Think about your favorite author or that anonymous street artist, Banksy. Deep connection? Absolutely. Knowing their face? Optional. The advantages are huge. Freedom and scalability. You are not the bottleneck. Your brand can grow exponentially without you needing to be in 17 places at once. Hire voices, animators, writers. Build systems. Take a vacation. Wink. Focus on the foundation. Instead of worrying about your hair or lighting, you pour 100% of your energy into crafting irresistible content, flawless products, and an unforgettable brand experience. The power of mystery. A little intrigue is magnetic. Who is behind this amazing thing? It sparks conversation, builds lore, and keeps people coming back. No, you don't need a creepy mask. Unless that's your brand, then go for it. Universal appeal. Your brand isn't tied to one person's age, appearance, or location. It can transcend borders and demographics purely on the strength of its message and value. Introvert's paradise. You can be the quiet mastermind, the strategic puppeteer, unleashing your brilliance without the draining glare of the spotlight. Your energy stays focused on creation. Phase 2. The blueprint. Crafting your invisible empire. Okay, so how do we actually build this? It's not magic, it's method. You need rock-solid pillars, unshakable niche and value proposition. Who are you serving? What exactly do you solve for them? This needs to be crystal clear, faceless or not. Helping people isn't a niche. Helping overwhelmed solopreneurs automate their Instagram content using AI tools. That's a niche. Be specific. Your faceless brand needs an anchor. Signature content style. Your face replacement. This is your key weapon. How will you deliver insane value without you physically delivering it? Animation. Powerhouse. Whiteboard. Motion graphics. Character animation. Think Kurzgesagt. Expressive, scalable, endlessly creative. Captivating visuals and text. Stunning slideshows. Kinetic typography. Powerful imagery paired with compelling narration, your voice or a hired pro. Think high-quality infographics on steroids. Screen recording. Ninja. Tutorials, software demos, deep dives, all focused on the screen, not the speaker. Clean, clear, valuable. The power of the written word. A killer blog, long-form social posts, threads LinkedIn, email newsletters dripping with personality and insight. Your voice shines here. Stock footage sorcery. Master the art of finding and sequencing stock footage that tells your story, evokes your emotion. It's an art form. The mysterious voiceover. A distinctive, trusted voice, yours or hired, becomes the recognizable signature. Pair it with compelling visuals. Do a quick, funny voiceover demo. In a world where faces were optional, one brand dared to hide its creator's questionable haircut. Crystal clear visual identity. Since you're not the visual anchor, your branding must be impeccable and instantly recognizable. Logo. Memorable, scalable. Color. Palette. Evokes specific emotions, trust, energy, luxury. Typography. Consistent fonts that scream you. Graphics. Style. Icons, illustrations, patterns, all cohesive. This visual language is your brand's face across every platform. A voice that resonates, even without a face. Your brand personality is vital. Are you the witty, sarcastic genius, the calm, reassuring guide, the data-driven, no-nonsense analyst, the inspirational, big dream motivator? Point at screen, find it, own it, infuse it into every piece of content, your scripts, your captions, your emails, your visuals. Consistency is king or queen or non-binary ruler. Community is your kingdom. You might be faceless, but your audience, they are real. Build a community around your value, your niche, your shared goals. Foster discussion in comments, moderated well. Create a private group, forum, Discord, circle, the inner sanctum. Engage authentically as the brand. Answer questions, share insights, celebrate wins. Be present, just not physically present. Phase 3. The engine, content and distribution, the silent siren call. How do you get seen? How do you attract your tribe? Platform strategy. Don't try to be everywhere. Go deep where your audience lives. YouTube for tutorials entertainment, Pinterest for inspiration/visuals, LinkedIn for B2B, TikTok for trends using your visual styles. Podcasts, master 1 to 2 platforms first. Content pillars. Based on your niche, create 3 to 5 core themes you own. For AI marketing tools, Pillar 1, tool reviews. Pillar 2, automation hacks. Pillar 3, future trends. Every piece of content fits a pillar. Relentless value. Every post, video, email must answer, what's in it for them? Solve a problem, answer a question, inspire action, make them laugh, make them think. Value is the currency of the faceless realm. SEO is your silent salesman. Optimize your content, titles, descriptions, keywords, to be found by people actively searching for what you offer. YouTube SEO, Pinterest SEO, blog SEO, master it. Collaborate, facelessly. Partner with other faceless brands, complementary creators, or influencers as your brand. Joint webinars, guest posts, shoutouts. Expand your reach strategically. Track, analyze, optimize. Data doesn't care about your face. Use analytics ruthlessly. What content works? Where's your audience? What converts? Double down on what wins. Building an audience is amazing. Building a profitable audience? That's freedom. Here's how the faceless empire generates wealth. Your own digital products. This is gold. Educational guides. Deep dives into your niche. Ebooks. Portable wisdom. Online courses. Structured transformation. Templates and toolkits. Done-for-you solutions. Hold up a mock faceless brand blueprint guide. Affiliate marketing. Recommend tools, software, books you genuinely use and love. Earn a commission. Authenticity is key. Sponsorships. As your audience grows, relevant brands will pay to reach them through your content style, integrated animations, dedicated videos, newsletter spots. Maintain your brand integrity. Premium community. Offer a paid tier for deeper access, exclusive content, mastermind groups, or personalized support. Still faceless. Licensing. Your unique animations, graphics, or music. License them, if applicable. Physical products, drop shipping, print on demand. Branded merchandise that aligns with your niche and visual identity. T-shirts, mugs, posters. Let your brand be the icon. Look, the digital world is loud. It's crowded with faces vying for attention. But amidst the noise, there's a profound power in substance over selfie, in value over vanity, in building something that stands on its own 2 feet, even if those feet are never seen on camera. You have unique knowledge. You have passion. You have solutions the world needs. Don't let the fear of the spotlight hold you back. The faceless path isn't the easy path, but it's a path of incredible leverage, freedom, and focused impact. It's the path of the quiet strategist, the anonymous benefactor, the digital architect. You are building a legacy, not a likeness. You are creating a movement defined by its message, not its messenger. This isn't about being invisible. It's about being omnipresent through your value. It's about your brand becoming a beacon, a symbol, a trusted source, all while you enjoy the beautiful anonymity of your success. The tools are here. The strategies are proven. The opportunity is now. Stop waiting for the perfect lighting or the courage to hit record on your webcam. Start building your invisible empire today. The world doesn't need to see your face to feel your impact. Smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this message needs to be heard by every introvert, strategist, and privacy-conscious builder out there. Share this video with someone who needs to know the faceless path exists. Tag that friend who's brilliant but hates the camera. And crucially, subscribe to this channel. We're diving deep into the faceless revolution. Advanced strategies, platform breakdowns, case studies of silent giants, and the mindset to make it happen. Hit subscribe so you don't miss a single faceless tactic. But here's the real accelerator. Want the complete step-by-step blueprint? The exact templates, scripts, and deep dive strategies to build your profitable faceless brand from the ground up? Click the link in the description right now. There you'll find our powerhouse collection of educational guides, comprehensive ebooks, inspirational manuals, and done-for-you templates. Everything you need to master content creation, branding, audience growth, and monetization, all without ever stepping in front of a camera. This is your shortcut to faceless mastery, your roadmap to building wealth and success online, on your own terms. That link is your gateway, your first step towards quiet domination. Go click it. Build your empire. Stay gloriously faceless.